Welcome to another intriguing episode on Have you ever wondered how coding works? Picture it as a way of communicating with a computer, kind of like how you would instruct a friend to make a cup of tea. Today, we're taking a deep dive into this fascinating world of coding. In the beginning, coding may seem like a puzzle, but don't worry. Just like any other skill, practice makes perfect. The first step in our journey is understanding what coding is. Coding, at its simplest, is giving instructions to a computer. We write these instructions, known as lines of code, in a specific programming language, and the computer follows them step by step. For instance, consider a simple line of code that displays the text, "Hello world." This is a basic instruction we're giving to the computer. It's a bit like telling a friend to say hello to the world. Just like there are many languages spoken around the world, there are also many programming languages. Some, like Python, are known for their simplicity and readability. Others, like C++, are used for more complex tasks, like building operating systems or video games. Each language has its own strengths and is suited for specific tasks. Now, let's talk about variables. Variables are like containers that hold information. They can store different types of data, text, numbers, and so on. For instance, we could have a variable name that holds the text John, and another variable age that holds the number 25. But coding isn't just about storing data. It's also about making decisions and controlling the flow of a program. This is where conditional statements and loops come in. A conditional statement allows a program to perform different actions based on whether a certain condition is true or not. Loops, on the other hand, allow us to repeat a piece of code multiple times. For example, consider a program that checks if the variable age is greater than 18. If it is, the program prints, "You are an adult." If not, it prints, "You're a minor." Output! Finally, let's talk about functions. Functions are like mini programs within a program. They help us organize our code and reuse specific pieces of it. For example, we could define a function greet that takes a name as input and prints a personalized greeting. So, to summarize, today we've explored what coding is, the different types of programming languages, variables and data types, conditional statements and loops, and functions. Remember, coding is a journey. It's about learning, experimenting, making mistakes, and improving. It's okay if you don't understand everything right away. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and most importantly, have fun with it. That's it for today's episode on. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. Happy coding, everyone!